Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, November 4, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, November 4, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong November 4, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, November 4, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 98 million pesos and Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 100 million pesos for November 4, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, November 4, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.